Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 277. Please check your internet connection and try again. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now check my video description for these commands guys. Copy and paste it one by one. It will flash DNS guys. It means clearing the cache guys. Let's move on to the next command. Copy and paste it in. Copy and paste it one by one guys. So this will take some time because it will be running a new IP address, so that if there was a problem with the previous IP address which you are getting, the problem will be solved guys. The last and final command, nets guys. Just need to copy and paste it in, press enter. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Before restarting, we just need to do one more step guys. To do this, close out of here, go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl. Click on open it guys. Now right click on the network you are using it guys. In my case I am using Ethernet. In your case you use Wi-Fi. You just need to right click on it and select properties guys. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties again. Select the use the following DNS addresses. In preferred DNS address, just need to type 8888. Alternate DNS server, you just need to type 8844. So this is the Google DNS address guys which we are using it. Click on OK to save changes. Now click on OK. Now right click on the network you are using it and select disable guys. Now we just want to enable it back. It will take 1-3 seconds. After enabling it, wait for it. After enabled, you just need to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.